So in a way, Galaxy's role hasn't changed since we started the company in 2017. We started the company to be a bridge, and what that meant was, again, not just lip service to institutional standards or institutional crypto. That was living every day, and in some cases leaving commercial opportunities on the table to be able to live up to that standard. That's more important than ever. And so I think it's everything that we did before 2022, but also in 2022. Never trading on exchange in our asset management business was a huge differentiator relative to the market. From a fiduciary perspective, I think we need to be really front-footed, not just about what we do, having multiple custodians in our funds as an example, having real service providers, having real people, but also really pushing the crypto industry to live up to those standards as well.
Galaxy takes an institutional first approach. Most of the senior leadership have come from a traditional background in big institutional firms with very strong risk and compliance departments. And so I think Galaxy brought that kind of rigor to the crypto ecosystem, which is lacking.
There are certain truths to any risk management, but how you implement them is different. And in this ecosystem, it's different. You have to think about wallet safety, credit counterparties, things that maybe you didn't need to think about if you were trading equities or something of that nature. You have to do that. And so we're constantly adapting and refining and bringing best practices and modifying them to fit into, the crypto universe.
There's a different tech stack, there's a different suite of services and products available to these founders and builders, but everything that we do, whether it's externally or internally, is focused on putting together a process and a procedure for risk management.
Clarity is the key. I mean, if you just tell us what the rules are, the good actors will follow the rules. And so we need to have those rules delineated.
For me, the most exciting part of the end state for the space for me has not changed at all. I think that we are building and architecting a new internet, and I think we are building a financial services system that's native to that internet. And that's about incentive systems that are different, that's about structures that are different, that's about efficiency gains, there's authenticity to it, there's individualism to it in a collective and socially conscious way. So I really do think it touches on many of the positive themes of a generational shift. And I don't think anything that we saw in 2022, because you had some grifters or some bad actors, changes the development curve of that, the underlying addressable markets that come out of that, or how we're going to approach our own strategy at Galaxy and going and being a part of that, hopefully a big part of that.